one's complement of a binary number. Now this designing a Turing machine for one's complement of a binary number. Now when they are saying complement of binary number, that is what your sigma is 0 comma 1. Sigma is 0 comma. And the complement, one's complement means what? If the input, if your input is 10101, the output what we require is 1 will become 0, 0 will become 1, 1 will become 0, 0, 1, and this 1 as a 0. This output we require with this input. Simply what we are doing, if input is 1, we are converting it with 0. If input is 0, we are making it as a 1. That is nothing but a one's complement. 0, we have to make 1. 1, we have to make the 0. Now, how to design a Turing machine? With this simple, we'll start with the transition diagram. Q0 is the initial state. Now, we are saying when input is 1, we have to replace it with 0. If input is 1, we have to replace it with 0 and move on to the right direction and move on to the right direction. Head will move to the right direction. So input is 1, replace it with 0 and move right. So whenever we will get 1, we have to repeat this same step. Whenever we will get 1, we have to repeat this same step. That's why we are making it as a loop, self loop. We'll repeat the same thing. Now second, if we are having the input as a 0, we have to make it as a 1 and move to the right. This will be again repetition. This will be again repetition. Because we are not knowing whether the 1 will come, whether the 0 will come. So if Q0, if 1 is coming, it will make it 0 and again Q0. If 0, it will make it with 1 and right. Likewise. So it will make 1 with 0, 0 with 1 and continue with this. So 1 will become 0, 0 will become 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. And at the end, when we'll get blank, at the end, when we'll get blank, what it means? The input is over. Input string is over. That will be the final step. So when we'll get blank, we have to replace it with blank and say no operation. And stand for the no movement. And stand for the no movement. So 1 will become 0, 0 will become 1, and when we'll get blank, keep blank as it is, and no operation. This is a simple Turing machine for the complement of 1. One's complement of a binary number. Now we'll move to the second thing. Now we have to make a two's complement of a binary number. Two's complement of a binary number. Now, how to find two's complement of a binary number? So in a DLD, you might have learned all this, how to calculate the two's complement of a binary number. The simple logic is, whatever the input is, suppose this is your input, 10101 is input. So how we are making two's complement? First we'll take the one's complement. So 1 will become 0, 0 will become 1, 1 will 0, 1 and 0. This is one's complement. And by adding 1, we'll get it's a two's complement. Now this is what your two's complement of this number. This is input, this is your output. Okay. So input, two's complement. Now here in the Turing machine, we cannot perform the addition operation. So we have to implement this addition or operations into some logic, and that logic we have to implement. That logic we have to implement. Okay. Now to find the two's complement, we'll try with finding the logic. So if we say this is the input, this is the input, this is the output, 2's complement. Now if we observe this one, right hand side, if we start with the right hand side, we say this is 1, 1 as it is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. What happened? If this is 1, the output, how I am getting this output? This 1 right hand side, if it is 1, 1 as it is. This 1 will be as it is. After that, this 0 is becoming 1, 1 is becoming 0, 0 is becoming 1, 1 is becoming 0. So I am coming up with one logic. Start from the right hand side, whatever the number is, start from the right hand side. If I am getting 1, if I am getting 1, keep this 1 as it is. Keep this 1 as it is. After that, 0, make it complement it. Whatever the input, complement the input, complement the input. This is the simple logic. We'll try with some more number. So if the number is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, this is suppose input binary number. And what will be the 2's complement? So 1's complement will be, this is your 1's complement plus 1. Okay, so 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and this 1. Okay, so for this input, this is what your output, 2's complement. Now we'll check our logic. We'll check our logic. So now we started from the right hand side, 0, it is 0. 0, it is 0. 1 as it is. 0 as it is, 0 as it is, 1 as it is. After that, 0 will become 1, 0 is becoming 1. So what my logic is saying, start from the right hand side, skip all the zeros till first one. Skip everything till the first one. When we will get the first one from the right hand side, that first one, keep as it is. And after that, complement everything. Complement everything. Okay. So what is my logic? Skip everything till the first one. First one, keep as it is. And after that, complement everything. This is what your logic of 2's complement. Logic of 2's complement. Now with this logic, we'll try to implement the Turing machine for 2's complement. Turing machine for 2's complement. Getting? So we'll just write this step first. So what is the first step? Algorithm, logic, first step, start from right hand side. Right hand side. This is important. Right hand side. This is first. Now second step is skip everything till first one. Till, write this, till first one. Third step is keep this first one as it is. Keep this first one as it is, and the fourth, last is complement everything. Complement everything. So these are the 4 steps. These are the 4 steps which we have to perform to calculate the 2's complement. To calculate the 2's complement.